Right now we're going to show you a feature within SmartNotebook called page linking. What page linking does is it allows you to access any page within your file with the jump of a button. So every time you press that object, it's going to jump you to that page. As you know, when you create notebook files, you could end up with 20 or 30 or more pages. You don't want to sort through each page to get to the information you need. So you use page linking. Here's an example. I have a navigation page I call a title page of all different buttons, which will get me to that part of the file. For example, if I wanted to work on spelling, I'm just going to hit the spelling button and it will get me to a spelling page where I have spelling words and things like that. I also have a page link in the upper right hand corner. You can see it's a picture of a home. When I press that, it will get me back to my navigation page. So forth and so on. If I want to work at vocab, I simply press vocab and I have a vocab exercise. And then when I'm done with that, go back home. So page linking allows you to really quickly access certain pages in your file. And it's really not that hard to do. Right now I'm going to show you how to do it. What we're going to do first is access this little yellow button. Believe it or not, it's in your gallery. It's a simple checker button. I already have it saved in my content, so I'm going to double click that, get my checker. I'm then going to get some text, in this case an SP, for spelling, and then I'm going to group that. So once I group it, then I have a simple little checker with the letters SP. Now I'm going to page link this object to the spelling portion of my file. As you can see, I have it clicked right now. So I'm going to hit the dialog box. As you move down, you'll see link. I'm going to press link. When you get that, you're going to have some objects. You can now link that button to a certain web page in which you would just put the web address. Or in our case, we're going to link it to a page in this file, but you can also link it to a file anywhere on your computer or to a current attachment. Back to our use. We're going to page link it to the spelling page, which happens to be page 5. You also have an option of whether you want to hit the corner icon or the object. If you hit corner icon, that means that you will have to hit the corner of the icon in order to link it. In my case, I find it easier to hit the object. So this way, when I hit OK, now anywhere I hit that object, it's going to jump me to page 5. Watch carefully. I hit the button, and here I am at page 5. Consequently, I have the home button, page linked, back to navigation. So that's a quick and easy way to use the page linking function. Here's another use. Let's say we have a grammar exercise where we have a series of questions. In this example, I have 5 sentences. It's a pronoun exercise, and I want the children to circle the subject pronoun. Now what I could do is clone this page, which I've already done, and then on the second clone page, put my answers. So then when I want the children to see the answers, I'm going to have my object here, press it, and it will go directly to my answer page. Let's do that so we can see the process of page linking once again. In this case, I'm going to go find an icon that I created. It's called Check for Answers. And we're going to link that to a page in our file. Hit the dialog box, link, page in this file, find the page, hit object, OK. Now, watch carefully. When I go and click Check for Answers, you are going to see the answers come up where all the subject pronouns are circled. Now, what you would also want to do is create another page link that goes back to the original 5 sentences without the answers. If you go to Lesson Activity Toolkit, Graphics and Icons, you'll see what they call a back button. This is really nice because now I'm going to link this page. Once again, moving down, link, page in this file, I'm going to go find that page that had the original 5 sentences on it. Page 15, hit object, and OK. So now I can, every time I hit that button, it will get me back to the original page without the answers. And you can toggle back and forth. So that is one example of using page linking to make your life a little bit easier with Smart Notebook software.